We're at the Chattahoochee Nature Center, and we're here for the Metro Water District's Water Drop Dash and Kids Fun Run. We're here to promote conservation of water along the Chattahoochee River, and Fix a Leak Week is a great way to concentrate on conservation, help us save water in our homes, and promote one of the district's goals of water conservation.